In this video clip, we are repairing a bleach spot for a client. Her carpet lost almost all of its color in one section because a very strong household cleaning product was dropped on the carpet. We have been able to return the carpet to almost like new condition.